थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द माई ब्लैक स्क्रीन वीडियोस। मेरी ब्लैक स्क्रीन वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप सबका धन्यवाद। सो ये यूज़र रिव्यू है आफ्टर 1 month द लेंसकार्ट ग्लासेस विच आई ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द लेंसकार्ट। ये जो पर्टिकुलर ग्लास है ये है नंबर के साथ एंड दिस इज़ only for the computer use, and this is the box in which it does come. When you open the box you can see that and see this, and this is the plastic case in which the glasses will become. So most importantly मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपको नंबर लगा है, आपके पावर ग्लासेस हैं, so please don't buy the glasses without the power for the any reason or any kind of use, because if you have the power then you always use the power glasses. This is the case in which it comes. This is the clip-on one. This is the model number. Here you can see. You can see that. And here is it. It is an air glass, so when you can even little bit flex the arm of this particular glass. Here is the another one. Let me show you some of the specifications if it is written here. So here it is. So basically the camera is not focusing. Basically this is the model. After that the written thing is the lens width. Then after that the written is the distance between the two lenses for your nose, and then the size of this particular arm. If you want to know that how to measure the perfect size for you, I will make a video on it. Please send a request message on the Instagram if you want me to make a video on that. So this one is the clip-on glass. It has the clip-on so that you can use it as a sunglass also, which is fitted on it. You can see them here. This is the magnet and this is the magnet. Where does it feel? So this is the user review after the 1 month. So basically the power of the glasses are really good. The lens are really quite of good. These both cost me around 3183, and after that it also depends upon that which discount you are getting, because there are always some kind of discount running on the each glass on the Lenskart, so you can buy it from there. I will also in the comment box I will also mention the videos of these particular glasses which I unbox and the buying link of those both particular glasses. After the use of 1 month, I don't feel any kind of issue in terms of frame, in terms of glasses. It works pretty well. The job it has to do, it does it very well. And this is the metallic frame, but yeah, does not move. It is as on its position, and the lens quality is also good. It just comes in this plastic case. So let me put this one sided. This is the computer glass. So if you don't have any power and you want it for just to use when you use computer or laptop during the online classes, you can buy computer glasses. Computer glasses for the adult cost you around nearly 1500 or something, because it depends upon the which time you buy and which discount is running on the particular frame. And the clip-on glasses, you can get it started from 2700 lens glasses with lens, and particular depends. This frame is also available one, I think, for the zero power, and this frame is available for the blue lens glasses for the computers, and the glasses for the glasses with the power. And this is the box in which it does come. Solid quality, These are the 12 set of 12, and it also comes out with the Lenskart case cleaning cloth. And when you use the Lenskart glasses, it is a request that you only use the Lenskart cloth when you clean your glasses, just because if you use the cloth which you got from the local optical shop or somewhere, it can damage the glasses which you get from the Lenskart, because after some time when it have a dust on your glasses and when you clean it with the regular cloth, then it can make a scratch on the coating this particular glasses have. So basically I make a videos on the investment, so you can check out that list to start your investment. This is a short review after the 1 month. I will post review in the October when the 3 months of these classes will be completed. Then I will post on 6, 9 and after 1 year review. And later on, if I buy any class from the Lenskart in the future, I will let you know and make the video on that particular class. And if you hear any outside voice, सॉरी फॉर डैट. बेसिकली लेंसकार्ट ग्लासेस काफ़ी अच्छे हैं एंड आप इन्हें बाय करना चाहें तो मैं आपको अब डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मेंशन कर दूंगा, आप डायरेक्टली वहां से बाय कर सकते हैं, या आप उनका मॉडल नंबर देख के लेंसकार्ट की वेबसाइट पे चेक करके आप वो बाय कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि आप अपने फेस के हिसाब से कौन सा साइज़ बाय करें, तो अगर आपको वो जानना है तो उसके ऊपर भी मैं एक पर्टिकुलर वीडियो बना दूंगा. आप कृपया कर मुझे इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक पे मैसेज करें. धन्यवाद.